I followed my path. Kota, IIT, FANG, फिर दो जॉब स्विच एंड देन FANG अगेन. मेरे पेरेंट्स के हिसाब से आई वॉज परफेक्ट मैरिज मटेरियल. माई CTC वॉज सो फैट दैट यू कैन क्रैक यू मम्मा जोक्स ऑन इट. मेरे लिए लाइफ पार्टनर ढूंढना बहुत मुश्किल हो गया था. आई हैड जीरो डेटिंग एक्सपीरियंस और लीड कोड रैंकिंग तो टिंडर बायो पे एक्सेप्टेबल ही नहीं है. मेरे पेरेंट्स मिलने एक रिश्ता लेकर आए. उसका DSA इतना वीक था मुझे अपनी डेटिंग गेम याद आ गई. मैंने तो उम्मीद ही छोड़ दी थी. मेरे सारे कॉमर्स के दोस्त मुझे ट्विटर पे इंसेल बुलाते थे. पता है, इंसेल.
Being a FANG engineer makes it very hard to be in the marriage market. Finding a life partner is really tough. Because we've achieved being in the 0.01% multiple times in our lives. We're like the unicorns of the marriage market. You know, I once dated a guy who wrote a cron job to send me "Mere babu ne khana khaya kya" at 10 p.m. every night. It was so cringy, I actually reported his GitHub profile. अगर तुम्हें सिर्फ HTML आता है, then you should be filtered in spam only. Like even spam should look at you and go like, not you. I think NFT doesn't stand for non-fungible tokens. It stands for non-fuckable techies. I'm a FANG engineer. You know, I get offer letters every hour. How am I getting marriage offers from these guys? You know, my mom tried to introduce me to someone through these matchmaker aunties, like Desi, Seema Taparia types. That lady was so disconnected from reality. She didn't know कि CTC और in-hand salary अलग-अलग होता है. That's like not knowing the difference between Fawad Khan and Fawad Chaudhary. Google him. That's a whole other Fawad.
This is a website where some of these, top engineers, like whom we call as the 10x engineers in some of these, big five tech companies, they can come and find soulmates for each other. We got people from Netflix, Spotify to work with on the recommendation engine. People who have used the service, they say that even better than how Netflix or Spotify suggests music or movies to watch, Fang Shadi suggests matches for them. We use GPT-3 from OpenAI, and our biggest competitive advantage is data, of course, and we collect a lot of data. And from this data, using that data, we have created this machine learning model that helps actually create these matches. These CodeForces, CodeChef, LeetCode, InterviewBit, these kind of accounts are connected so that we know what level of coder you are. Right. We make sure of your, compensation, how much ESOPs you own, what level of engineer you are there. So we make a 360-degree profile. A lot of times somebody wants to match with somebody at least L5 or above, not below that, right? And we allow you to do that. If you are a FANG engineer, then the process will be very familiar to you. There's going to be 6 rounds, just like you have those, 5-6 rounds of interviews in these kind of companies. We, have like a, final bar raiser round as well. We have so similarly here we have the bar raiser round where you meet with the parents of your prospective match. And obviously you have to raise the bar there to for this match to be successful.
And then came fangshadi.com. और फिर मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि ये सब करने का एक बेटर तरीका भी है. I mean, we could send each other a coding challenge to solve and check compatibilities. And BubbleSort is anyway a great turnout.
I sent him a coding challenge and he completed it. He's not even from one of the old IITs. But then I found out he's from Scalar Academy. He did a course there. And this guy, he's not even from Amazon. Amazon people never have any time for themselves. How will they have time for a relationship? ऊपर से उनको YouTube channel भी चलाना पड़ता है. I almost married a Microsoft guy. But thanks to fangshadi.com, I finally found the perfect partner for me. I had to break it off with the Microsoft guy. I told him his updates were taking too long. When we first met, we talked about what NFTs we held, and then hands were held. Thank God for fangshadi.com.
When Arnav told me his idea, I was immediately sold. I am tired of being Angel Priya and now wanted to become Angel Investor instead. Because उसमें ज़्यादा इज्जत है, even though काम same ही है. And the moment he came to me, I transferred all the money I had in my Lenskart wallet and MobiKwik Super Cash also.
I tried giving him cred coins as well, but he refused. The most brilliant part about Arnav's idea is that it has zero marketing costs. Like the moment we bought the domain, it was the talk of the town in Fang town halls, in all conversations, in Reddit, even on Starbucks.
But I talked to the people at Scalar and InterviewBit, and I saw a lot of synergies. I saw that they have the exact audience who would grow into the kind of people who would be using FangShadi.com. They have a big alumni who are already in Fang. The kind of network that we need for this platform to grow, and it just felt like a match made in heaven. FangShadi.com and Scalar. So that's why we are getting up together. The people who attend Scalar's programs, they would not just find professional solutions; they will find actually personal solutions out of the entire offering now.
I was counting on being an investor in Series A, B, C, Z, Alpha, Beta, Gamma. पर अर्नव को लगा कि अभी एक्विजिशन इज द राइट स्टेप टू डू बिकॉज ही हैज रीच दैट एज जहाँ पे बायो में सीरियल एंटरप्रेन्योर लिखना जरूरी हो चुका है और प्लस ही हैज टू कम्पीट विद क्लब हाउस वाले 9x एग्जिट वाले फाउंडर्स. तो आई एम लाइक ठीक है, यहाँ पे एग्जिट भी कर सकते हैं. बट दिस इज नॉट माई एंड गेम. द रियल रीजन आई एम इन टू दिस is because I want to truly build my profile for VCShadi.com so I can truly add value.